Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, alright kaibigan. Welcome to the Calzada University kaibigan. Kung saan ka mang sulok sa mundo ngayon kaibigan, I wish you well and let's be grateful. Alright kaibigan, yung topic natin ngayon kaibigan, ito yung ni Rhonda Byrne nang nagsulat ng The Secret. Ito yung isang tips niya, daw kaibigan na yung araw natin kaibigan, it will most likely start what you feel when you woke up in the morning. Wow. Okay, so it could be hindi tayo aware nito na ganito pala mag-work yung law of the universe kaibigan. So mayroong mga law sa tao at sama like hindi ka pwedeng magnakaw, hindi ka pwedeng pumatay ng tao, hindi ka pwedeng anything na 10 commandments na mayroong na law na pwede kang mabilanggo, at saka mayroon ding law kaibigan na law of the universe na probably na hindi tayo aware, but this law kaibigan is always right kaibigan. Okay, so ito yung sabi ni Rhonda Byrne na nagsulat ng The Secret na what you feel in the morning when you wake up kaibigan is most likely it will affect your day. Okay, for example kaibigan, paggising mo ng umaga kaibigan, at saka paggising mo at saka yung expression mo kaagad or impression mo sa araw kaibigan, oh my god, trabaho na naman, ito na naman yung araw, napaka na naman tong araw na to, another struggle day na naman to. Wake up ka kaibigan, so that kino-confirm mo na yan kaibigan, na pagising mo kaibigan, it's another struggle day, it's another difficult day. Then my law of universe kaibigan, by the law of the universe, that what you think, okay, what you think, it will become your reality. So pag isip mo na it's another day, another struggle day of work, another difficult day, then most likely kaibigan, it will be a difficult day. Okay, that's the law. Hindi tayo aware na that law will always apply. Okay, so the same person kaibigan, gumising ng umaga, the same weather, walang kaibahan sa weather, walang kaibahan sa circumstances, but that person woke up and say thank you for this beautiful morning. I think this will be another beautiful day, this will be another great day. Then kung i-compare natin yung tao na yon sa tao na nagko-complain or nagrereklamo, while sa tao na grateful and he just visualize na it's gonna be a beautiful day for him. It could be maulan man yan, or bagyo man yan, or snow man yan, but he just confirmed that it's a beautiful day. Then most likely daw kaibigan, you will attract good things. Kaysa emotion mo lang palang kaibigan, okay, sa your emotion itself, yung feelings mo, kung you feel on that frequency na low frequency ka, you are troubled, you are angry, or you hate the day kaibigan, then definitely that's the reality na pwede mong magiging ikaw, mabibuild mo kaibigan. But if you are transmitting the gratitude frequency kaibigan, you are grateful that you woke up in the morning, may buhay ka, wow, it could be snow pa yan, ulan pa yan, but you are grateful with the rain, with the snow, or anything, then that means that you are aligning abundant frequency kaibigan. So there is a big difference paano tayo mag-respond paggising natin sa umaga kaibigan. So hopefully mayroon tayong natutunan. Kung hindi tayo aware na wow, the way we wake up, even waking up in the morning can shape our reality kaibigan. There's a big impact paano ma-shape yung reality natin. So kasi yung same concept tong si Rhonda Byrne kaibigan, Rhonda Byrne, na whatever na nasa mind ng isang tao, nasa isang thoughts ng tao, that's the one that he can manifest. Okay, so if you focus on luck, okay, if you focus pagising mo sa umaga, nagpo-focus ka sa luck, L-A-C-K, or nagpo-focus ka sa poverty or mga troubles, struggle, although walang tao na walang problema na ganoon kaibigan, lahat mayroong ganoon, but it just depends ano yung binibigyan ng focus. But yun, pag binibigyan mo siya ng focus kaibigan, as a law of universe, what you focus will expand. So if yun yung pinufocus mo, pag sinasabi mo daw kaibigan na I am a poor person, then you are correct kaibigan. You become really a poor person if you sabihin mo daw na hindi to magandang araw nito kasi saka medyo ano talaga, malas talaga ako. If you say that kaibigan, you are already confirming to the universe that malas ka talaga. Hindi mo ano yung mahirap sa iyo yung swerte. But if you keep affirming yourself kaibigan, kahit maulan, kahit bumagyo pa, swerte talaga ako. Madali akong makakuha ng anything, even parking, makakuha ko ng parking, or yung pag may mga although malapit na akong disgrasya, but swerte talaga ako. Palagi akong nasasave, hindi ako palagi akong nag-activate yung ano ko na hindi ako madisgrasya. O swerte talaga ako, madali ako makahanap ng mabuting tao. Super hindi ako, then that's most likely you attract kaibigan. Hindi ka maka-attract ng masamang tao. Yung masamang tao kaibigan, pag makakita yan sa iyo for some reason, hindi sila interested sa iyo kaibigan. So that's the power of manifestation kaibigan. So that's the power, that's the law of the universe na pag alam natin kaibigan, pag i-activate natin yan, we could shape our reality to a better reality kaibigan. Wow. Another lesson na naman natutunan ngayon kaibigan. When we wake up in the morning, we need to choose our thoughts kaibigan. Okay? So instead of complaining, instead of saying that it's a boring day, it's another sad day, it's another struggle day, you can because you might be right kaibigan, tama ka dun. If you just shift that into 180 degrees na it's a beautiful day, it's another swerte na day kaibigan, it's another blessed day kaibigan, then there's a big difference because your thoughts that will be your frequency that you will attract, and most likely that will build your reality. And hopefully hindi ko nasayang yung oras mo kaibigan. Maulan na, and I wish you well. Close your eyes, open your arms, and not your legs, and welcome to the Kalsada University kaibigan. And this all be yours. Peace, love, good health, abundance, all the riches in the world. Sa'yo na yan. Boom! Shakala, nagkala-kala. See you next time, babu!